What does it mean to be recommended by Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, or Google AI? AI is changing how people discover businesses. Instead of scrolling through search results, customers can ask AI to research a topic, compare options, or recommend a business. For example, someone might ask, "What are some good digital marketing agencies in Minnesota for a small business?" Instead of simply showing a list of links, AI can pull information from multiple sources and create a personalized answer. That means traditional SEO is no longer the whole picture. Traditional SEO is about where you rank. AI visibility is about whether your business becomes part of the answer. AI doesn't only look at your website. It can gather information from your content, reviews, business listings, industry publications, social platforms, and other websites that mention your company. Your entire digital footprint matters. So, how can you improve your chances of being discovered? Start by creating content that answers your customers' real questions. Keep your business information accurate and consistent across the web. Build authority through reviews, reputable mentions, and useful content. And make sure your website clearly communicates who you are, what you offer, and why customers should trust you. Search isn't just about ranking number one. It's about getting found, understood, trusted, and chosen. At Faster Solutions, we help businesses across Minnesota, Colorado, and beyond adapt to the changing search landscape. Ready to future-proof your marketing? Visit fastersolutions.com to request a free quote and get started.